Hello, Aryan.
Hello, ma'am. Good
How are
afternoon.
you? Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so Aryan, myself, Jyoti, and I'll be taking your interview today. Why don't you quickly introduce yourself to me?
Yeah, sure. Currently, I'm in my BTech undergraduation at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. It is my final year of undergraduation. Uh, I am being pursuing BTech in computer science and engineering with a specialization in big data. Also, I have done my internship as an Advent Foundation as a summer intern where I have worked as a data science intern. Also, I've did some contract projects which were based on the LLM evaluation. Also, I have won a hackathon on DevPost for which I have gained a XYZ domain and the interview like preparation for 1 year. And also, I have been working on different projects in AI/ML and also in the software development, causing both of them as my expertise and worked on different projects, not only on academics, also as a part of hackathon and personal projects. Some would be the Clario, Spendora, and loan eligibility engine, which is mentioned in my resume. Thank you.
Got it. Thank you so much for the introduction, Aryan. So about this interview, this will be majorly focused on your OOPS problem-solving skills, a little bit about Python, React, all those things. Okay, you can see the platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can change the language to your choice.
Okay.
Mhm. One second. Yes, you can change the language to your choice. You can run the code. It's a perfectly working IDE,
Okay.
and you can two things before we start the interview. First, stick to the tab that you are on. Don't
Hmm.
switch between the tabs. The platform tracks it and will impact your feedback if you do. Second thing is also same on the same line. The platform also tracks your eye movement and your lip syncing and everything. So
Hmm.
again, stick to honesty. That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Let's do this question then. In that case, ouch. Okay, this is not. One second. Okay, now it's working. Okay, let's go with this question.
Um,
You got the question now?
yeah, I'm just reading it. The inputs and the outputs. Okay. Oh.
So how are we gonna do this question? Do you have any approach in your head?
Uh, we'll first like try to traverse the array, and then for every index we'll try that if index is even, then we'll add on +1, and if it is not as compared to the traversed array, then it fails the condition, and then we'll swap the elements.
Okay.
else if I less than swap that array into that array of I plus 1. Integer. Oh, why is that coming as time size?
This is not correct, right?
It is showing some error
No, this
comparison.
is 1521137 we are getting. 152. Okay, 15. Okay, can you put a comma also, please? 1 second.
Yeah.
152 11 3 7. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, let's try again. There is an error for sure.
yeah, but I'm not able to like what can be there. It is
Array dot size minus 1. Where is array dot size minus 1? Okay, here.
yeah, the sixth line.
Hmm.
Yeah,
You are traveling vector, right?
yeah.
Int. Okay, so okay, this is long unassigned int, no? This one. This will give a long unassigned int, and you're
Okay.
comparing with int. That's the problem.
But I think then it should work.
Now, so
But
it's working. Now you're getting the answer, right?
okay, okay. Yeah.
Got it. You were getting the answer. It was just a error. It was like mismatched thing. It was a warning, not even an error.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Let's quickly go through it. So what we are doing here is, oh,
Uh, should I say something? Tell. Okay. First, we are trying to loop into the array once, and then at even index, we are using the relation of greater than. Then we'll just swap the current index and the other one, which is the uh, uh, one next to the current traveling one, which is I plus 1. And if the odd is there, then we'll do the same. For that, the relation is in this else statement. Sorry,
hmm.
this one. And then we'll swap these both things. And if the condition fails, of course, then the pattern is giving the answer.
Hmm. Okay, 1 second. Huh? It's trying possible. Ouch. What is the time complexity for this one?
Big of n, because it is not taking any other space for, and also extra
1 second.
loops. 7 is also.
See the issue?
Here, yeah, actually, I've added extra 5 in that, right?
No. I have given 5 is fine. There is 1 5, there is 1 5. That is fine. What is happening is I have given 3 1 continuously. 3 same
Yes.
values continuously.
Yeah.
Now it fails. If I give 4, then also I think it will be an issue. See, now it's fine.
Hmm.
High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. So if I give 3 values same, for example, if I give here 2 2 2, then also it will fail, right?
Hmm.
The point is, if I give this, then also it's fine. But the in this case, we do have a possibility to get a high low value, right?
Hmm.
Can you see if we can do it in better way? I
Um,
see. Honestly, commendable job you did it, but this is the edge case, right?
hmm.
You did it with a quick way, I would say. That was a good thing. I
I have did this. I think in last year in lead code, so I just got familiar with something. That is why. Edge case, maybe.
Cheating, you should have told.
You know, it was like I haven't even solved lead code for last like 6 to 8 months.
So what? Anyways, good. Cut.
Uh, mm, if there is a repeating number, it can like skip those and uh, maybe goes to the larger number. And if that same number comes, then it skips the other same. If it doesn't get the higher number as compared to the following I value, then it will skip something, the coming parts.
Whatever logic you want. Logic part is in your hand. Breaking your code is in my hand.
Mm, I'm not able to make any edge case. There is a edge case in this because it should give return only one possible output if there is repeating ones. But,
Sorry.
I'm saying that I'm not able to like make any logic for edge case for right now because there must be a logic because question itself says there is a function that it returns one single output only if there is a repeating ones multiple output. Mm,
Think about it. You right now you're just swapping. I mean, that's a ON. There can be a compromise over the complexity? Can we do it then?
yeah, I think uh, if we sort it somehow and
That is a
then
problem.
mm, it's not even like that. Because some digits inputs are even at that place so that it can be just swapped only the elements all are like replaced at different positions. Mm,
Cool. Let's move on to the another question then in that case. This one I expect to be quick. It looks like a long question, but I think it's pretty easier to solve compared to this one. Compared to this one to me seems easier.
okay.
If you need help, I can help in explaining, but please go through it yourself once.
Okay. Percentage.
Did you understand the question?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Like it would have a starting value, ending value of the slab, and you have to find the total percentage tax of the
Not
income.
percentage. You have to find the total tax.
Yeah, tax, calculate tax. Well, the sum of taxes on proportions of income tax. Okay.
Hmm.
Mm, not zero. Can you clarify me more, ma'am, on this? Like, I'll get little more clarification on this.
I'll just comment it out and write it on the top. Okay, that's line number one.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So what is happening? This is a real life problem only. So
Mm-hmm.
how in real life tax gets calculated is, let's say you have an income. Question is very similar to real life. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
from 0 to 5 lakh,
Mm-hmm.
5 lakh, there is 0% tax to your income. I'm
Mm-hmm.
giving an example. 5 to 10 lakh,
Mm-hmm.
you have a, let's say, 5% tax slab.
Okay.
10 lakhs to 15 lakhs, you have, let's say, 10% tax slab. 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs, you have, let's say, 15%, and 25 lakhs and higher. Let's say, I'll give you each case I was trying to explain. So let's say someone's income is 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So their tax will be, what will be their tax?
0%, because it
Zero.
lies in
Total zero. Let's say someone's salary is 7 lakh. What will be their tax?
5%.
No. For the income till 5 lakhs, it will be zero. So till 5 lakhs of income, he doesn't need to pay any tax.
Mm-hmm.
Greater than 5, till 10.
Mm-hmm.
For 5 lakhs, 5%. For another 5 lakhs, 10%. For another 10 lakhs, 15%. But what about the income from 25 lakhs to 3 lakhs? We don't know, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, they have given a case at the bottom. If you see case 3, they have not, the income is 6 lakhs, but the slab is given 0 to 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. After
Yes.
5 lakhs, they have not given what percentage of tax should be applied. So you give an error, insufficient slabs to compute income
Okay.
tax. Got it?
Uh,
But rest of the cases, do you understand? Like, let's say if the income was 23 lakhs, what will be the tax? Please tell me.
uh,
We can write it this way. You don't need to calculate exactly, but we can write it this way.
yeah, like it will be 15% of 20. It takes 23. So 15% of 2 lakhs only, because it.
No, 15% of 8 lakhs.
Uh,
Because 15 to 23.
okay. Oh, we'll take from the starting 15 or from the start.
So,
Okay.
so if this person's total tax will be 5% of 5 lakhs.
Uh,
0 to 5 is nothing. 5 to
yeah.
10 is 5% of 10, 5 lakhs, because 5 to 10 is 5 lakhs, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Plus for 10 to 15, 5 lakhs, 10% of 5 lakhs,
Okay.
plus after this is 15. So after
Mm,
15, how much income is there till 25? 8 lakhs, right?
8 lakhs.
So
Okay.
15% of 8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
Got it?
Mm.
So this is your question. Understood the question or not?
Yeah, I got it then
In
later.
real life, also, this is how taxing works.
Okay. Not into finance too much still.
It's not about the finance. You'll start earning from, I guess, June, right?
Yeah,
You will be falling in terms some tax slab, and you'll have to pay a tax in this way.
right, right. Oh,
You can write the code above this itself. Like I'll comment this out. You can
okay.
write start writing from line number one, do whatever you like.
Hmm. Percentage. Why? Structure value. What I can do is we can struct value. Struct start. And is it taking decimals?
Oops. But in the answer, you might have to give decimals, right?
Okay. Okay. Firstly, we'll keep tags as 0. Tags as 0 for slab of S. Okay, if my income is greater than a slab of start. Okay, then we have taxable हो जाएगा फिर वो इंसान if income is greater than the start then it is taxable. So it will give tax and it will be calculated by minimum of income, minimum of income and the ending slab dot. Okay. Then tax will get add on with give tax into percent divided by 100.0. So income is greater than slab dot values back below back and okay, then throw error arrow क्या error होगा next this Then 50. Hmm. Percent. Access. Count the XP. Calculate tax. Based on income. And then these slabs. And then we'll give Dell. You should try the. Okay. We will try. We'll try. Catch the exception. E. And then count E dot.
You can't put it like this. Okay, you are putting the first case or which case?
I'm trying to do the first test case.
Acha, okay, okay, okay.
Mm. क्या होगा what do we use with the E in the catch? What that? E dot something. Ma'am, could you help me with like in something to display that something we use in the catch at E dot something? I'm not able to recall that. That is why it is giving operator error and something.
Okay, we can ignore this for the time being. It's fine. It's fine. Let's ignore it for the time being. Let's see. There are lots of errors as of now. Slab
Yeah.
dot start dot end, slab dot percent by 100.
Okay.
There is slab or slabs, no? We are taking slabs, no? No. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm taking slab, and as an object, I'm taking S. Okay, here will be minus slab dot start to. Okay. Hmm. 38. Just showing used. Oh, ये तो होता है slab 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 everywhere it is slab slab ही तो होगा slab ही तो होगा slab ही तो होगा s dot fac tag 0. Okay. Thousand, 1000. There is a mistake. Tax is coming zero. It should come 1000. Mhm.
Okay, let's see. So what you have done, go let's go here. Auto tax level. If income is greater than tax slab dot start, int given tax minimum of income or slab tax and minus slab tax start tax plus is equals to given tax. Okay, give tax into slab dot percent. What are you doing?
Uh, it will
Calculate.
whatever the tax will be there, it will get added to the tax uh, by dividing it into the percentage. Okay.
So, hmm, okay, 1 second. For if did you change your income after that in this loop?
No, like it
Shouldn't.
will it I think it should work on that too also in different test cases, because the income is comparing with the start and the end slabs.
You can see out things, right? We can debug by see outing, right?
Mm, tax.
This is the syntax, huh?
Yeah.
See, 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 see. What is happening? Tax is equal. Okay, okay. Where is your tax now? Fine. Wait 1 second.
It should be out of that, huh?
What the hell? Oh, sorry.
Backslash.
Give taxes one stands under thousand lakh. It says lakh rupees.
Yes.
So for first cases, if this is a so you're giving 1,50,000. No?
Yes.
What is the slab start?
Slab start will be the starting ratio of the
No,
comparison from where it
I'm just
lies.
check. I'm just checking the first. So 0, 0.
Zero, that is zero, then 1 lakh, then 0%, that is slab.
It's not going again. That's the thing. It's not going again inside it.
Mm,
Because if you see here,
mm,
we only go for one case, right? We're not going for another case.
right. Mm,
Don't you think we should start in the reverse manner?
uh, by counting from back.
Hmm. Because if that person's income is greater than 1 lakh and
Mm,
in between 1 lakh to 5 lakh,
mm,
don't you think like you can go the other way also? It's fine. Okay, so if you do 0 to 1 lakh, so give tax was you got what you get was give tax. You have to give tax on 1 lakh. Okay, you got zero. But why didn't it go again inside the loop? Income was greater than slab start, right?
yes. It, I think, but it, okay, okay, okay.
Why did its income increase? Acha, no, sorry. Its income is 1,50,000.
Mm,
1,50,000 income in both the case income. Now, okay. So you got slab start at 0. It only
Mhm.
came for one loop. It didn't come for another one. Why?
Zero.
No, can you find out why is it happening? Outer
Nothing.
slab start we got 1 lakh. Again we got tens, 100,000, thousand, lakh, 10 lakh. What the hell? We are getting outer slab starters. I gave a space, no? I gave a space. Wait, let me reset it.
Mm.
See, outer slab start is weird. Did
Yes,
you
it is.
give a wrong start? Yes, you gave a wrong start.
Okay. It is just increasing. Giving.
Okay, now check for other cases quickly, really quickly.
Okay.
So let me put, wait, let me put. Otherwise, you will put, I don't know what. 600. You're giving 0, 3 lakhs, 0%, 3 lakh, 1, 2, 5 lakh, 1%. Let's see. Okay, fine. This is fine. Good. Let's see the test case number 2. 0 to 1 lakh, 0%, 1 lakh, 1 to 2 lakh. How
3
much?
3 lakh, ma'am. It is 3 lakh.
3
1
lakh
lakh.
I've written.
1 lakh 1 to 3 lakh 1%. It is divided
3
into
lakh,
three parts.
3 lakh 1 to how much? 6 lakhs, na?
No, ma'am. 3 lakh 1 to 5 2%. Here it
3.
is. It is in. Uh,
Wait, wait, wait.
it is.
3
It is
lakh to.
divided into three parts.
Yeah, yeah, ठीक है, ठीक है. Even if I put 6 lakhs, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, some mistake I did here. Did I do some mistake? Okay, I didn't put a comma here.
Yeah, yeah. 339. Uh, it should give a 4,000.
Yeah, that's fine. If it's a 4, but where is the 4,000 as an answer? Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. I understand. That's because of the calculation, which I understand. Cool. So this works. Good. Good that this works. Okay. We wasted a lot of time because of 1 0. Okay. Do you have knowledge of Python?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Now I can't even ask you to code really quickly. Like there's 1 minute left. I can't even ask you to do that. Okay.
Ma'am, I have did write written code in Python, but I'm not that frequent in Python. I need some help from the internet and also even from AI, from writing few lines and wherever I get stuck. Because I was doing C++ from start of my university, so I was frequent in this. Python can be written, but I'll take time on that.
Got it. What about React?
React is fine.
For React, I'll ask you a few questions actually. How about that? Okay.
Okay.
What is the difference between state and a prop?
Uh, State is prop is basically the properties which we which is used to store which is used to store the data, and state is used to when we change from one state to another, so we use the state in React.
Are you sure?
um, yeah. mostly these things are uh, I think
Mostly.
mm, when we prop is
What is
basically
how do you define
property.
state?
Sorry.
How do you define state in a React?
uh, when we use the when we have to change something during the component life cycle, then we use state, like it
And
re-renders automatically. And
when do
uh,
we use prop?
huh?
When do we use prop then?
Mm, the property is used to, I think, when the data transfer is needed. Can recall from
Then
um,
what do you know about hooks, React hooks?
yeah, ma'am.
What is
It
use
is
effect?
it is a functional component that is basically used to use the state and the life cycle features, like the use state, use effect, use reference, use
What
context.
what is the purpose of use effect?
Use effect is used to handle the side effects like the API calls, data fetching, then the DOM updates, which is done.
Got it. Cool. Cool. This works for me.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So we have a dependency array in use effect, right?
um okay, yeah, I don't know like now because
Okay,
I have
fine. Cool. Cool. Thank you so much for your time, Aaron. Do you have any questions for me?
not much. If you could tell me the further steps,
I have
that
no
will be
idea. I'm so sorry. I'm just a mid my third part. Interview is basically third party, which is helping the company to evaluate the candidate. So I
okay.
really have no idea. I'm just part of this one interview. Do you have any other?
Uh, Not much.
Cool then. Thank you so much, Aaron. Thank you so much for your time. Best of luck and have a great weekend ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
You
Same
can
to you.
drop the call. Thank you. You can drop the call.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
You can drop the call.
Okay, ma'am.